Today?
I'll be a cook.
Okay, you'll be a cook today. Laswa.
Waswa and shrimp and pumpkin. Pumpkin.
What is this?
Okra.
Okra. How about this one? What do you call this one? The orange one. What do you call? This is a
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. How about this one? Your favorite?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. And this is saluyot.
Saluyot.
And you're going to cook
Yes.
laswa.
Waswa and shrimp.
Okay, now let's put the salt. Let's put a little bit of salt, baby. Okay. Good boy. Oh, say, I put salt.
I put salt.
Okay.
Put pumpkin.
Later ng pumpkin. Next is the, say, MSG.
Whiskey.
MSG. A little bit only. A little bit only. Okay.
Yay!
Bring it close. Next is the, pumpkin. Oh, you put the pumpkin na. Okay. Okay. Here pa. Oh. Use your, okay. Now, let's put the pumpkin. Pumpkin. Say pumpkin.
This one.
Okay. Slowly. It's okay. You hold. You hold the aklo. This is the aklo. What do you call this one?
Apple.
Aklo. Okay, you put na. You put na. Slowly. Slowly. Good boy.
Yum.
And then,
Hi, it's my.
what happened to you? Time say, hi guys.
Hi guys.
I will put the shrimp.
I put the shrimp.
Okay, put the shrimp one by one. Okay. Slowly. Slowly. baby.
Wow, cooking!
Yeah, it's cooking. You put the shrimp pa. More shrimp. More shrimp. Mommy will put now, okay? I will help you. Okay.
It tastes good.
It's good. We're gonna eat laswa, okay? We'll put the okra.
Oh,
Oh, slowly, slowly.
before.
Oh, wait.
Okra.
Wait, okay, come here. Get the okra here.
No, I want
I will drain it. Ah.
my okra.
Oh, slowly. Oh, go.
Okra.
Okay, let's put the okra.
5, 6.
More okra. Careful, be careful.
Wow!
Wow. Okay, then let's cover it. And
Yeah.
let it boil. The last one is the, what do you call this?
Fun.
No, this is not a plant. This is saluyot.
Saluyot.
Saluyot, yes. Saluyot for dinner. Wait lang. You say something. This one?
This one.
Yes. Saluyot.
So one. Baby Valentine. Saluyot.
Okay, put the saluyot na. That's the last.
What?
Yeah, that's the last ingredient. Saluyot. Okay, done with our laswa.
Yum!
Yum. You will eat the soup and the shrimp. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Good boy.
Oh, finished.
Yes, all done. Say, we're done cooking.
We're done cooking.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe and watch videos every day.
Wow, subscribe for more videos every day. Good boy. Last one.
This one's so oh. Shrimp.
Shrimp soup.
Yeah, I will finish.
Okay, now Caspi will eat
Yes.
dinner.
Dinner.
And dinner is laswa. Okay, ano po? Okay, let's eat rice. Say, let's eat everyone.
Let's eat, everyone.
Hala! Ayun kayo.
What's over there?
Yum. Okay, do it.
Oh, what are you doing, God?
Say, let's eat shrimp.
Quack!
Kaya adobo ang dan. Pambigat ka riyan.
Yo, I want a video for
Okay.
champion.
Are you eating your shrimp?
What's my crayons and my colors?
Be so gone. Yeah, it's a kite for us. Yeah, coast on the kite.
Oh, taste na.
What you want, Gabriel?
Coast on the kite.
Say it's yummy.
Yummy, everybody.
Let's eat. So good.
Yeah. Don't eat the pumpkin.
Subscribe
Just like
for
more
more.
videos every day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Just like more videos every day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.